Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 2223 Burns. They're doing a home sale in this place. They had the line, they flushed the line out, cleaned all the cast iron out and flushed out the line. We had some more roots going out here towards the main. I came out here, I cabled it out with a 4-inch, and then I went in with a 5-inch, a 5.5-inch cutter to this 6-inch clean out here in the yard. And I was able to cut them roots out and remove the roots from the line. So I'm going to go ahead and run my camera towards the house and show you that. Then we'll run out to the main and inspect this line and show you what it looks like. So, yep, we'll be right back. Alright, so I got my camera pushed into the house here. Here we are at the bottom of the stack. You can see the roof vent going out to the roof there. Here we are at the bottom of the sweep. Go ahead and pull this back and show you what this cast iron looks like. So they had this flushed out. This cast iron looks going in, looked pretty decent. It's all been all the scaling's been knocked off and cleaned out. You got a Y right there where another line's winding at the side there. Appears to be intact. Nothing too bad. So here we are at the transition. Now this is where it comes to 4-inch cast iron and a 6-inch clay pipe. So you just slide that 4-inch pipe in there. That's why it looks like that. But it is intact. Everything's in one piece. No roots growing in or anything like that there. Keep pulling it back. This is a 6-inch clay pipe. You see so far it looks really straight, really clean. We don't have any roots here. Small piece of root, less than a thumbnail wide. Yeah, that's less than a tip of my thumb there. So here we are at the riser pipe for the T in the yard that they replaced here years ago. I guess they replaced a trap and they put a T in out here with PVC. We'll go ahead and run it out towards the main and show you what that looks like. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out the MSD's line out here. It's about 53 feet. See them roots? Those are the roots that I cut up going out to the main out here. There's big ball roots around 29, 30 feet. Like I said, I ran a 4-inch cutter and then I went in there with a 5.5. There's a 6-inch pipe, so I cut all them roots out. They have been removed. We're going to go ahead and pull it back and show you what this line looks like. Couple small pieces of rooted top, nothing bad. Very small, no bigger than a blade of grass. Small piece of build up on the side there, but nothing bad. Looks like we got a dive and a little turn in the line there. Bunch of build up on the sides. Another seam right here where your stuff's built up on the side there, nothing bad. Another joint there. This is right where there's really heavy roots. You see, I've cut pretty much all of them out. There's a small little piece here, but it's very small, minute piece. It's very thin. Like I said, I had a 5.5-inch cutter through there, and that's probably no thicker than a couple pieces of grass there. Nothing to be worried about. Nothing to give you troubles. Just another small piece there growing in. Just every so many years, I have the line augered out. Other than that, it's intact. Roots are cut out. Here we are where they did the repair here, coming in the PVC from the clay pipe. And they all look to be intact. So Alright, so here we are at the riser pipe. So I've cleaned this line out. This line appears to be in good condition. I have successfully removed 99.8% of the roots out of the line, so it should have no problems. Should be good to go. Alrighty, thank you.